And now Austin is going to talk to us about the Tor browser.
So everyone, the Tor browser is the full form of Tor is the Onion router. This is the one of the most secure browsers ever. Another browser which is secure is DuckDuckGo because it uses that as a default search engine. So what Tor does is it gives you a basic VPN so that you can stay anonymous on the web. And you need a VPN. I would suggest that you go and get a VPN if you want to stay truly anonymous, but it gives you a basic VPN. So let's open the Tor. So when you open Tor browser, you will get this page.
Unlabeled page. Swipe to the left to see Tor logs.
Swipe to the left
Volume set to 100%.
to see Tor logs. Now, what Tor logs is, it will tell you to what IP you're connected, which site you visited, and all that. So that is what it is. And then below that,
Unlabeled
you
button.
have an unlabeled button, which will give you lots of advanced statistics. Let me just go in there quickly and show you.
Tor network. Navigate up button.
So what, as I said, this browser provides a VPN. It's like a VPN. It's run by different volunteers around the world. So let's see what happens.
Tor network. Tor browser routes your traffic over the Tor network, run by thousands of volunteers around the world. Enlist. Current status heading. Is Tor ready? No.
Is Tor ready? No, because I have not connected to the Tor network.
State disconnected. Bridges are enabled. No. Config bridge. Use a bridge to connect to Tor. Tor network. Tor browser route. Current status heading.
So that is what Tor network is in your current status.
Accelerating
Now
downloads using dual home button.
let's
Page. Swipe to the left. Unlabeled button. Connect button.
click on connect,
Service. Tor browser. Warbot is starting.
and this will start the war bot or the Tor bot and connect you to the network. This takes slight time
List.
because it
Show
connects
items 1 to
you
3 of 3.
to an
Set your security
encrypted
level. Menu.
network.
Highlighted out of list.
Now this is a very important thing, that is set your security level.
Set your security level. Current security. Checked. Standard all Tor browser and website features are enabled. Radio button.
This is kind of the least secure version, but I would recommend that you take this because this will enable everything on the web, but it's not very secure. It's like using Google Chrome or something. It gives you some anonymity, but not much.
Not checked. Safe or disable website features that are often dangerous, causing some sites to lose functionality. Radio button.
You could also take this, but sometimes websites might not work. Some websites that require some JavaScripts or something might not work.
Not checked. Safest only allow website features required for static sites and basic services. These changes affect images, media, and scripts. Radio button.
This you should absolutely
Accelerating
not
downloads using
take
dual channels.
unless the
security settings button.
site is static and does not require any scripts or functions or some player to run or something. Then you can open security settings where you will get some more options. We will go there in a bit, but let me just, it's
Open security settings
checked
button.
by default to the standard.
Donate now button. Start browsing
So
button.
Tor works on donation. You can donate to them. It's not required, but if you like their work, then you can donate to them and you click start browsing.
Showing English US QWERTY keyboard. Search or enter address. DuckDuckGo. Search or enter address out of list.
So this also uses the DuckDuckGo search engine, which is very good, which is the safest.
Scan. Switch. Search engine. Switch.
You can change your search engine.
Search engine. Switch. 0 open tabs. Menu. Highlighted.
This is the menu. Let's go here.
Pop-up window. Quit.
You can quit Tor.
Settings.
You can go to settings,
Bookmarks.
bookmarks,
Downloads.
downloads,
Highlighted. What's new?
what's new,
Help.
and help.
Highlight.
Let's
Download.
go to
Bookmark.
settings
Setting.
quickly.
Quit. Settings.
Then we'll try loading our
Settings.
website.
Navigate up button. Settings. General. Heading. In list. Search. Tabs. Close manually. Customize. Logins and passwords.
So here you can customize Tor. You can add
button.
your logins,
Accessibility. In list. Logins and passwords.
passwords.
Accessibility. Language. Accessibility.
Let's go to accessibility.
Accessibility. Navigate up. Accessibility. Automatic font sizing. Font size will match your Android settings. Disable to manage font size here. On. Switch. In list.
This is for magnification and low vision
Accelerating
users.
Font size. Make text on websites larger or smaller. 100%. This is sample text. 33%. Slider. Disable. Zoom on all websites. Enable to allow pinch and zoom. Even on websites that prevent this gesture. Off. Switch.
You can
Navigate
allow
up button.
that.
Out of
So
list.
that is it. There is nothing for visually challenged people here, totally visually challenged. It's just low vision users.
Home plus look. Overview. Recent apps. Tor browser. Accessibility. Now. Back button.
So let's back out of here.
Settings. Accessibility. Language.
Language, you can select app language. I'm not going into this.
Set as default browser. Off. Switch.
You can set Tor as your default browser.
Privacy and security. Heading. Security settings.
Here you can open your security settings.
Security level.
Let's go
Navigate
quick.
up. Button. Security level. Checked. Radio button. Standard. All Tor browser and website features are enabled. In list.
So let's say you have taken the most safest level and something does not work. Some websites does not work or none of the websites work. You can come here and change it back to standard or
Not checked. Radio button. Safer. Disable
safer.
website. Not checked.
And that is all that is there in this security
Back.
settings.
Settings. Security. Tor network.
This is Tor network. This gives you the same stats that we saw before.
Site permission. Tor network.
Let's see the stats once
Tor network.
because we are
Navigate up.
connected.
Tor browser routes your traffic. Current status. Heading. Is Tor ready? Yes. State. Connected. Bridges are enabled. No. Site permissions.
Here you can get the permissions for each website and what they ask for, like location and all you can provide for the websites. Like Google will ask for location permissions
Delete browsing data.
and you can clear your data.
Notifications. Advanced. Heading. Allow screenshots. Off. Switch. Add-ons. Remote debugging via USB. Off. Switch.
You can install add-ons, you can do remote debugging and all
About
those
heading.
advanced
Rate on Google Play.
things.
Back button.
So
Not on
let's
list.
go
Navigate
back.
bar. Search or enter address. Settings.
So the address bar
0 open tabs. Search or enter address.
is on the top. So you click on that
Showing English US QWERTY keyboard.
and let me
Search
just
or enter
launch our website.
B. G. L. I. N. P. A. N. S. P. T. R. O. I. D. U. S. A. Delete. S. E. R.
So one thing you can observe is that
X.
TalkBack does not
Yes.
echo the key that you just typed in.
Space.
That is one problem.
N. Space. Go. Period. C. O. M.
And let's
Go.
go.
Loading. Tor browser private close private tabs. Keyboard hidden. Settings. Site information. blindandroidusers.com. The tab counter toolbar button. 1 menu. Accept. Site in. Tabs. Menu. Welcome to blind Android users. Heading level 1. Your new home for everything and anything having to do with Android for those who are blind or visually impaired.
There is
Loading.
no progress bar also. So that is another problem that is here. But it's a pretty easy small website to load. So it won't take much time. So it does not announce the progress bar. That is another annoyance with Tor. But overall, I would say if you want to stay anonymous on the web and you want to stay secure, you can use Tor and it will provide you some security. But if you want to stay truly secure, you should go and get a VPN and get a paid VPN because free VPNs will not cover you properly. We'll do an episode on VPNs later. So this is it from me, and this is the demo of
Battery 86%.
Tor browser.
Thanks very much, Austin. And just in terms of your experience with the Onion router, do you find that it's slower if it's kind of, if it's got, the network of volunteers acting like a VPN, routing traffic everywhere, or is it not really noticeable?
It is not very really noticeable, but sometimes when there is too much congestion or if you get connected to a person, like this is a collected list of collected team of volunteers running traffic, so it does not really be noticeable that it's slow. I think in fact it's faster than what Chrome loads because you saw our page came up in seconds, so Chrome takes some time to load it, but I would say Tor is slightly faster.
Oh, good. No, that's good.